Hello friends, welcome back to another informative video on business topics. In today's video, we are going to discuss online money-making apps for students. Are you a student looking for ways to make some extra money online? If so, you're in luck. There are several apps that can help you earn some cash on the side. Online money-making apps can be an important source of income for students, as they may have limited time and resources to earn money through traditional employment. Online money-making apps can provide students the opportunity to earn some extra cash on the side while they're studying without the need for a full-time job. In addition to providing financial support, online money-making apps can also help students develop valuable skills and experience. Many of these apps allow users to offer their skills and services as freelancers, which can help students build their portfolios and gain experience in their field of interest. Online money-making apps can also be a convenient way for students to earn money, as they can often be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection. This can be especially useful for students who may not have the ability to work a traditional job due to their academic or personal commitments. In addition to providing a way to earn extra money online money-making apps can also be a useful way for students to develop new skills and gain experience. Many of these apps offer opportunities to participate in market research studies or other tasks that can help students learn more about consumer behavior, market trends, and other relevant topics. This can be a valuable way for students to gain practical experience and build their resumes as they prepare for their future careers. Canva. Photography fans would really enjoy making money off of this app. As one of the best earning apps for students, Canva is an app where photographers can start selling photos that they have taken. Not only that, but it offers a great environment that makes it possible for all aspiring photographers to get jobs and be paid, as well as start building their own portfolios and networking with other photographers. Toluna. Complete a survey and earn money. Simple, right? Well, that's basically the concept behind this earning app for students. The way it works is that you answer a survey, and depending on your response to each question, you earn a certain number of points. In significant polls and questions, you can earn up to 2,000 points. Your earnings can be collected in the form of exchanging points for various gift cards, coupons, and prizes. Payments can also be made by PayPal transactions, Starbucks gift cards, and Amazon gift cards. Fronto. This is one of the easiest apps through which you can make money as a student. What the app does is simply take up space on your lock screen and place advertisements there. You can then receive points every time you watch an advertisement. Fronto takes little storage space on your phone, with this app's only disadvantage being you must use it for a year at least in order to make a sizable amount of money. NotesGen. Are you a dedicated note-taker? Well, have you considered making money off of it? Because you can. This app allows you to get paid for your lecture notes. All you have to do is upload or share your notes on a subject that is famous among many other NotesGen users. Others can then download your notes or presentations. The money that you make then depends on the number of people who download your notes. The best part about this app? You can study and make money simultaneously. Pocket Bounty. Look, this might be one of the easiest and most entertaining earning apps for students. Who doesn't fancy a good movie or some videos with entertaining content? You can now earn money just for watching that. Can you imagine? Abiding by certain terms and conditions, Pocket Bounty can give you coins for watching a movie, downloading apps, or completing surveys. The coins you get can then be used to secure some gift cards for either Amazon or Google Play. Google Opinion Rewards. If you don't really need cash and would like to have some points to use to download music, applications, books, and other things, then Google Opinion Rewards app is the one for you. While you can't buy material products with the money earned on this app, you can instead get Google Play or PayPal credits. All you have to do is just complete some surveys or give Google access to certain data and you're set. Download that album you've been waiting for. Survey Junkie. This app makes it so easy to earn money as a student. You can sign up with so much ease and convenience and just get to work. The work in question is simply filling out a bunch of surveys. Quick and simple. The app basically lets you earn the most amount of money you possibly can out of answering survey questions on your phone while you perform your day-to-day activities. It is simply one of the best earning apps for students out there. Swagbucks. This is yet another app that allows you to earn points by simply doing things you would probably be doing on a daily basis anyways. Whether it's shopping, taking surveys, or watching videos, Swagbucks actually lets you make money doing those things. Payment, however, only comes in the form of gift cards. You can still use this to your advantage though, especially if you're buying gifts for friends or family, or if you're treating yourself to something new. Book Scouter. This is basically a great way to make quick money using stuff you might already have. This app allows you to sell your books and make money while at home. You basically put the book you no longer need up for sale, compare prices, and sell for the most amount of money. Easy, quick, and beneficial. You can also consider affiliate marketing because of its potential to generate massive amounts of commissions when affiliates make sales. In Connect Team's affiliate program, affiliates have access to the tools and resources they need, which means promoting products will be much easier. Also, high commission rewards are expected when affiliates make sales using their affiliate link. If you don't have the time for a part-time job or might be running low on energy to actually go somewhere and be productive, earning apps for students can definitely come in handy when you're strapped for cash and want to treat yourself with a little less effort than usual. To use these types of apps, students typically need to download the app and create an account. They may need to complete a profile which may include providing personal information and answering questions about their interests and demographics. Once they have completed their profile, students can begin earning money by completing tasks or participating in surveys. One of the main benefits of using online money-making apps is that they can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection. This means that students can complete tasks and earn money while on the go, whether they are at home, on campus, or somewhere else. This flexibility can be especially useful for students who have busy schedules and may not have the time to commit to a traditional part-time job. Hope this video is helpful for you. See you in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get regular updates.